Learnkin Kids!
Hi kiddos, welcome to Learnkin Kids. Today we are going to learn about letters from A to Z. Are you ready? Yay, let's start. A. A is for apple. Apple. Airplane. Airplane. Astronaut. Astronaut. Ant. Ant. Alligator. Alligator. Arrow. Arrow. B. Banana. Banana. Bicycle. Bicycle. Ball. Ball. Book. Book. Bus. Bus. Bear. Bear. C. Cake. Cake. Car. Car. Cow. Cow. Camel. Camel. Cat. Cat. Carrot. Carrot. D. Dog. Dog. Duck. Duck. Doll. Doll. Door. Door. Dad. Dad. Dolphin. Dolphin. E. Elephant. Elephant. Egg. Egg. Envelope. Envelope. Eagle. Eagle. Ear. Ear. Earth. Earth. F. Fish. Fish. Fan. Fan. Frog. Frog. Fruits. Fruits. Fox. Fox. Fire. Fire. G. Gate. Gate. Girl. Girl. Goat. Goat. Giraffe. Giraffe. Gift. Gift. Gun. Gun. Hedge. Hat. Hat. Hot. Hot. House. House. Horse. Horse. Helicopter. Helicopter. Hen. Hen. I. Insect. Insect. Ice cream. Ice cream. Igloo. Igloo. Ice. Ice. Island. Island. Ink. Ink. J. Joker. Joker. Juice. Juice. Jelly. Jelly. Jeans. Jeans. Jam. Jam. Jaguar. Jaguar. K. Kite. Kite. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Koala. Koala. Kid. Kid. Kiwi. Kiwi. Key. Key. L. Leaf. Leaf. Ladybug. Ladybug. Lotus. Lotus. Lamp. Lamp. Lion. Lion. Lemon. Lemon. M. Moon. Moon. Mom. Mom. Milk. Milk. Mango. Mango. Monkey. Monkey. Mouse. Mouse. N. Nest. Nest. Nuts. Nuts. Nurse. Nurse. Net. Net. Noodles. Noodles. Nose. Nose. O. Orange. Orange. Owl. Owl. Octopus. Octopus. Ocean. Ocean. Oyster. Oyster. Onion. Onion. Pig. Penguin. penguin, pencil, pencil, pig, pig, parrot, parrot, pizza, pizza, panda, panda, cube, queen, queen, quail, quail, quiet, quiet, question, question, quarter, quarter, quick, quick, hour, rose, rose, rat, rat, run, run, rabbit, rabbit, ring, ring, robot, robot, S, sun, sun, shoe, shoe, star, star, snake, snake, strawberry, strawberry, shark, shark, T, tiger, tiger, train, train, tractor, tractor, tree, tree, toy, toy, turtle, turtle, U, umbrella, umbrella, unicorn, unicorn, ukulele, ukulele, under, under, unicycle, unicycle, uniform, uniform, V, van, van, walrus, walrus, west, west, vase, vase, volcano, volcano, vacuum, vacuum, W, watch, watch, wolf, wolf, wet, wet, whale, whale, watermelon, watermelon, wagon, wagon, X, xylophone, xylophone, X-ray, X-ray, Xerox, Xerox, Xeros, Xeros, X-ray fish, X-ray fish, Xmas tree, Xmas tree, Y, yo-yo, yo-yo, yogurt, yogurt, yoga, yoga, yacht, yacht, yak, yak, yarn, yarn, Z, zebra, zebra, zoo, zoo, zucchini, zucchini, zipper, zipper, zigzag, zigzag, zero, zero. Wow! We learned so many words today. Let's clap for yourselves. Great job, kiddos. Bye for now. See you next time. Thank you.
Lincoln Kids!